All right, winner of this game advances to the championship round. Loser of this game automatically gets third place today. All right, you have win the game tonight. Representative Chugai School A or finals. Get with the champion. You are losing tonight automatically. Alam balikan. Nararat ke besok kita nak balikan. You have kamu tonight. Dahil sa balikan.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're back in the game. Chugai TV and Salam Juke Academy. Shake hands, please. Shake hands. Remember, play good on the court. No pulling hair. No fighting, no scratching.
Apalagi suka-suka dari color, atau black. Many tidak black, many tidak different color. Chugai, your color is green. Saram, your color is maroon. Atau decide that you wear different color today.
Chugai picks the ball, trying to look for the open. Oh, nice pass. Inside he's trouble. Oh, nice pass. And it's good. Salam with the ball, trying to look for the open. Nice. Good strategy. Scratching with the ball. Pass. Chugai the ball. Over with the ball. Sprung down, trying to look for the open. Pass it to Joy. Joy looking around. Pass it in. It's two. Please. Oh. Good save by Vince. Good steal by Chugai. Gently with the ball. Going down for the fast break. And it's good. Outside Salam. Chugai ball. Joy looking for the open. Oh. Good steal by Salam. Oh. Salam with the pass. Shot. And it's no good. Rebound by Salam again. With the shot, and it's no good again. Rebound by Chugai. Guy pass. Jetty with the shot, and it's good. Chugai Team B. Nice pass by Saran with the shot, no good. Rebound again by Saran. Pass in, nice. Shot, no good. Rebound again by Chukai. Pass it in, oh, good shot, and no good. Rebound again by Saran. Pass it to Bonfon. Oh, foul. Shot. Saran. 7 minutes and 10 seconds. One shot by Saran. And it's good. Holding the ball. Running down. Trying to look out for an open. Good screen, nice shot. Good swing ball. Good strategy. Nice pass. Pass it to Granson with the shot, and it's no good. Rebound by Vince with the pass inside. Oh, good fake. Shot. And it's no good. Rebound by Saran. Just going down with the pass. Pump fake by that guy. Looking for the open. Passing out with the shot. Rebound by Lucas with the rebound by that guy. Passing it in. Oh, good block. With the shot, no good. Rebound again, still no good. Pass it to Vince. Vince with the ball, looking like he's struggling. Pass it to one of his teammates. Oh, good steal by Jet Li with the ball. Request timeout. Request timeout, Saran. Foul. Back to our corners. Let's get back. Saran with the ball. Foul. Number 4. Foul. 14. Vince with the ball. Oh, good shot. And it's no good. 1-4, Chukai. Foul. Request sub, Chukai. Sub in. Warning team foul, Chukai. Boys watch line. Boys. Rebound 2-4 foul. Boom, the ball. Pass it to Jetty. Jetty goes for the shot. And it's no good. Rebound by Sara. Branson. Pass it to Wonka. Pass out. Good passing. Looks like you're taking it slow. Pass the bigger. You can go to the runner. Oh. And still. Fast break. So give the ball. 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining. One minute remaining. $50 seconds remaining. 45 seconds remaining. Foul. Request up, Sara. It's only second. Sub in. You have 32 seconds remaining. Good steal. 20 seconds remaining. You have 19 seconds remaining. 15 seconds remaining. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was the end of the first quarter. The score is 12-10. Two ties in the lead. This is only the first half. End of first quarter. Moving on to second quarter. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Good by Sara. The shot, no good. Rebound by Singlet. Maroon's ball. Oh, nice pass. Good block by Tupac. Oh, that was a foul. My mistake. It was a foul. Warning, personal foul. Shot by Saba. Okay. Oh, good speed. It is now a tie. Kevin trying to take it slow. Foul. Solid. Good sub to the eye. Sub in, sub. Request up to right. Pass up, 3-point, and it's going to be a rebound by Tupac. Sub. Request sub. Let's get sub. Sub in. Any subs? Long pass to Tina. Tina with the pass over. Oh. That's good. Trying to put it over here. it's no good. Rebound again by JJ. Shot. It's no good. Again. Takes the ball and he shoots. And he misses. JJ. Alright. With the same good save. With the shot. Now it's no good. Team up with the rebound. Foul. As Simon Tree County. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Subbing on the chance. Get the shot. Okay. Rebound. And it's good. Vince trying to go open. He gets trouble. Passing to Granton. Granton passes back to Vince. Vince goes in for the drive. And foul. 23. Foul, James. Brown James. Warning, team foul. First shot is good. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Second shot is good. Pass. Two guys go to the nice pass to Tina. Tina grabs the ball. Foul. Number 6, foul. Bonus. I repeat, bonus score. Subbing. 19-17. Two guys in the lead. 19-17. Time is now 4 minutes and 43 seconds. Good shot. Oh, embarrassing. He didn't shoot. Wow. Two guys out. Over the pass, team up, hey, pass, oh, good pass, to Iago, oh, hey, pass, Simon's looking for an opening, goes in for a big punt, oh, shot, foul. Foul, 0-2. First shot. Time is now 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Remaining. Shot and good. Two guys ball. Bowman has the ball. He's trying to take it slow. Tina for the shot, it's no good. Rebound. It's good. 2 fouls. 4. minutes and 43 seconds. Oh, passed it to Chukai. Has the ball. Pass it to Jetty. Jetty with the drop. Shot. And it's good. Foul. 6, reaching foul. Orange pants, 2 shot. First shot. Shot. No good. Rebound by Simon. Looking for the fast break. Oh, slow down. Good pass. 147 seconds. We are in the tie now. Jakob's drive. And ball. Time is now 1 minute and 32 seconds. I repeat, 1 minute and 32 seconds. First shot, good. Passing down to on the drive. Oh, good save. Good post up. Chukai. Subbing on the hands. 1 minute and 6 seconds. I repeat, 1 minute and 6 seconds. Until second part ends. Subbing with the ball. Looking for opening. With the pass. Pass in to Granson. Granson with the shot. Good pass up to Chukai. Taking the shot. And it's good. 47 seconds. Granson looks like he's having trouble. Passes it back out to Bonfire. Bonfire looks for the wow. 30 seconds remaining. 0-5. Number 12. Request up, Sam. Seconds remaining. Jump in. Let's go. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, that was good pass. Ladies and gentlemen, we're now beginning. Rebound. Good steal. Foul. Pushing. 2 shots. 1 foul. Pushing. Checking in. Ball. 9 minutes and 27 seconds. Stop time. Second shot, and it's good. Someone hit the ball. Good strategy. Pass it to Vince. Vince goes over the leg. And it's still good. Rebound outside of the game with a nice. Guys trying to take it in slow, over the ball. See not the pass. Outside Chukai, side on the ball. Request up, Sarah. 8 minutes and 25 seconds. Pass to Davis, Vince, with the pass outside, Francie with the pump fake. It's still by Chukai, looking for a fast break. And it's no good. Charging foul. Looking for the fast break. Charging foul. Foul. I repeat, foul. I'm sorry. 7 minutes and 34 seconds remaining. Request up, Sarah. First shot good. It's there. Outside. Second shot. No good. Line ball. Vince going in for a jump. Good pass. Shot. No good. Rebound by Chukai. Chukai trying to. Oh. Saram. Chukai. Oh, good shot by Jet Li. So good. Rebound by 6 minutes and 48 seconds. Finish with the drive. Good. With the drive. Request up, Solomon Jimmy down. Sub in, let's go. There are 6 of you. 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Fun with the drive. That'll be good. Oh, big pass. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Tina running into the ball. Take it slow. Good pass to Yago. Yago goes for the drive. And it's no good. And it's good. 5 minutes. 5 seconds. Timeout. July. Request timeout. Ladies and gentlemen, we are timeout. Time is 5 minutes and 3 seconds. The score is now 34-37. Chukai is leading. Boys, let's get back into the court. 5 minutes and 2 seconds. Passes it out, shot, Saram, over. Two guys got it. Goes in for the drive. Over. 5. Letter 0. Wow. Oh. Shiroi. Four minutes and 15 seconds. First shot, and it's no good. Rebound by Victus. Oh, got with the steal. Goes for the drive, and it's good. 2 points, score. 4 minutes remaining. Pass it to Fun with the shot, and it's good. Saram, score. Bones trying to look for the opening, taking it slow. He looks troubled. Goes in for the drive. Nice pass to Anthony. Foul. Saram. Request up, Saram. Time is 3 minutes and 28 seconds. 3 minutes and 28 seconds till the quarter ends. MVP with the shot. Second shot, and it's needed. Rebound by Chukai. The shot, and it's good. Score, Chukai. Pass to Granton. Granton with the shot, and it's no good. Rebound by Saram again. Passes it in. Goes for the layup. Outside. Chukai's ball. 3 minutes remaining. Bowen's looking for a fast break. Goes in for the pass. Good. Score. Chukai. Request timeout by Saram. Good skill. Anthony goes and looks for it. Good rebound. Saram. Saram with the pass. Oh, no good. Request timeout, Saram. Ladies and gentlemen, we're on a timeout again. The time is 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Hey, what is it? Score is 37 and 44. Chukai in lead again. 2 minutes and 22 seconds remaining until third quarter ends. Chukai on the microphone. Drop the mic.
Thank you for understandable. Chukai.
He's trying to look for the easy score. Anthony passes it in. Good score. 2 minutes remaining. Vince trying to go in. Passes it to Granton. Granton passes it in. Passes it back out to Vince. Vince with the pass. With the shot. And no good. Rebound again by Saram and the drive. No good. Good save. It's good. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. One minute and 20 seconds. 1 minute and 19 seconds remaining. I repeat, 1 minute and 19 seconds remaining. Play. Chukai with the ball. Bowen looking at the drive. Pass to Tina. Tina passes it in. It's no stolen by Chukai. And it's good. Chukai. 57 seconds remaining. Request up, Saram. 50 seconds remaining. 45 seconds remaining. 40 seconds remaining. seconds remaining. 15 seconds remaining. I repeat, 15 seconds remaining. 15 seconds remaining. First shot, it's no good. Second shot. It's good. Warning, personal foul. Good rebound by Chukai. Chukai looking pretty open. Oh, good pass. So Gina, pass back to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Please allow my standard situation.
He's running down with the open pass. It's one of his teammates and it's out. Chukai's ball. Big pass, big pass to Jamie, and it's no good. Oh, it's good. It's getting more intense because this is the last quarter. Good steal. Foul. Saram's ball. 9 minutes and 15 seconds. Big pass to Vince. Vince with the pass. Right with the pass in. It's good. It looks like he's struggling. Oh, pass. Coming back to the ball. Good rebound. Good shot. No good. Saram is inside the screen. Having trouble going to the other side. And he found his way in. Good still. They're going for the easy goal. That's what the coach says. Good steal. Cross. 8 minutes and 7 seconds. Saram with the ball. Found his way inside. Goes in. Request Chukai. Alright. The time is 7 minutes and 46 seconds. And it's good. Score, 7. Oh. Foul. Pushing. 1 point. Saram. Chukai's ball. Let's go, step in. Personal foul. Bonus 2 foul. Bonus 2 foul. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, this game is getting very intense. First shot. Seven minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Second shot. And it's good. And for a layup. Pass to Von goes in. Pass it back to Vince. Goes to the pass inside. Goes on his shot. 6 minutes and 27 seconds. Wow. 6 minutes and 19 seconds. Six minutes and 10 seconds. Minutes and 5 seconds. 6 minutes remaining. Come on with the ball. And let's step up on the drive. Now we're in timeout. 5 minutes and 38 seconds. Still 4 quarter minutes. So, ladies and gentlemen,
谁进？
Yeah, look at the score. Time. 5 minutes and 38 seconds. 5 minutes and 38 seconds. It's time out. Oh, yeah. Enfield, warning foul. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Request timeout, 2-5. 5 minutes remaining. He's looking forward to the layup. Oh! 4 minutes and 30 seconds. And what is it? We press up 2-5. Into the ball. Again. Outside, 2 points. 3 minutes, 30 seconds. You guys have ran out of timeouts and you suck. Sub it. Sub it, sub it. 3 minutes and 29 seconds to me. Ladies and gentlemen, it's getting very intense. Time is running. Let's go, boys. 3 minutes and 22 seconds. Someone with the shot, and it's no good. Rebound by someone once again with the pass back. Oh, looks like he's getting trouble with the pass. No good. Rebound by Chicago. 3 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Stolen by someone. Boys, please play well. Please, let's go. The time is now 2 minutes and 59 seconds. Wow. Seconds. First shot, really good. Good rebound, but set up. Oh, they're taking it slow this time. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. 2 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. It says one of the players right here. 2 minutes and 2 seconds remaining. 2 minutes and 3 seconds remaining. Press up, set up. Let me give you guys a little advice. Water and Chukai. All right, boys, let's get back into the court. Let's go, boys. Get back in the court. Boys, get back in the court. 2 minutes and 3 seconds remaining. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. 1 minute and 55 seconds. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Was that good? That was good. 1 minute and 49 seconds remaining. And 45 seconds. 1 minute. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 39 seconds. I repeat. 1 minute and 39 seconds. 1 minute and 39 seconds. I'm not going to repeat myself. 1 minute and 39 seconds. Chukai has a chance to shoot. First shot, and it's no good. Let's go with the second shot, and it's no good. Rebound by Simon. Simon passes it back to Vince. 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. Request up, set up. 1 minute remaining. 57 seconds remaining. I repeat, 57. 57. Oh, let's go, it's running. 52 seconds remaining. I repeat, 50 seconds remaining. 52 seconds remaining, everybody. Stop in. Let's go. Alright. Do this all day, every day. You got 52 seconds remaining. You guys ball. Let's go. Just lost 2 seconds. 51 seconds remaining. 2 shots. seconds remaining. Let's make this count. All right. 35 seconds remaining. 30 seconds remaining. 25 seconds remaining. 20 seconds remaining. 15 minutes, seconds remaining. 14 seconds. 14 seconds. Let's go, 14 seconds.
Oh.